Hello friends, welcome in my this video. In this video I'll show you how to create sign in and sign out activity in Sketchware. So at first I'm creating an app for you. Sign in and oops and out. Here you go, this is the app. So as I am giving you the tutorial, I am not going to design anything, and so I am just working for the um, main things actually. So here hint, I give the hint, enter password. Here will be the password actually. Here will be the password, and here will be the button for sign in. Here you go, sign in. The text size must be 30 sp. So here you go, I am increasing the text size to 40. This will be also 40. So here you go, the page creating is alright now. And now we have to go to component and create an intent, and then shared preferences. I'm giving the name file and password. Okay, now we have to set something on activity create, and we have to give the component, we have to set the set data key, password, the thing we have given in the component, and we have to give the password. Suppose I am giving 1 2 3 4 5. Here you go, I have set the password. I have set the password, and now button 1 on click. We have to set if then else upper a control, and then if this is a string value, and so we have to give the equals and text view get text, because we have to get the password from the edit text one, and equals we have to give get data key from password, the thing we have given in the component. Now if these are okay, then intent, set screen, start activity, and finish activity. Here you go. We have to at first create a new screen actually. So here you go, I am creating a new view naming screen. Here you go, in this screen I am giving a text view, and the text size 40 sp. In the text I am giving I must give hello. Now I'm giving a button for sign out, and the text must be sign out. I'm giving the text size 40 sp. Now there you go. Now on the main XML, button on click, set screen activity, else we must give toast wrong password. Okay, everything is okay. Now we have to go to screen.xml and create a new intent naming I, and when button 1 on click, when button 1 clicked, we have to create a new component, another component of dialog. There we go. Now we have to set this dialog title and dialog message. First, dialog title sign out and set message of I am giving are you want to sign out. There must be do you want to sign out, and then the buttons OK button and cancel button. When OK button on click, I am giving it yes, and then and here the button no. Two buttons on dialog, and then if OK button clicked, then intent set screen start activity and at last finish activity. Set screen main activity, intent I, and finish activity, else nothing. Okay, now we have to give the dialog show to show the dialog on the screen. Everything is okay. Now I am running the app. Please wait a while. Here you go. The password was set 1 2 3 4 5. Now I am tapping on the sign in button. Here you go, the page. Hello, sign out. If I click on the sign out, here you see the dialog. Yes, here you see. So thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe my channel to get outstanding Sketchware tutorial videos. Thank you.